Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, in the previous video, I inform you that several sources are claiming that a heavy war between Amhara militias and Ethiopian National Defense Force is underway in the vicinity of Gondar. But now the reports that are being received are being said that the fight is still going on, and at present two divisions of the Eritrean army are also present in Gondar, which are supporting the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces for the defense of Gondar. And there are reports that Eritrean soldiers are being robbed in Gondar. Eritrean soldiers are picking up goods by going home. Even the Eritrean soldiers are stealing small items of household use. And according to reports, houses are being looted by Eritrean soldiers in Gondar. But so far, there is no statement from any side, Amhara government or Ethiopian government, about this. Viewers, on the other hand, according to reports, there has been a heavy war in the surrounding areas of Dessie for the last 2 days. And now, thousands of civilians are being deployed on the battlefield by Ethiopian National Defense Force. And many pictures are also shared about it. In these pictures, citizens can be seen reading in big trucks. And according to reports, Dessie citizens did not receive any military training which is being deployed on the battlefield against Tigray Defense Force. Because apart from this, huge number of Amhara forces, Amhara militias, Ethiopian National Defense Force and Eritrean army soldiers are present in Dessie. On the other hand, many pictures are being shared by Tigray Defense Force in which can be seen that hundreds of Tigray Defense Force soldiers are entering the Amhara region. And according to reports from Tigray Defense Force, these are all newly recruited soldiers and they are now being deployed on war fronts in Amhara region. And according to the latest reports, fighting continue in the surroundings of Dessie, but Tigray Defense Force soldiers are still in the surroundings of Dessie and trying to enter Dessie. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.